Sorry. Alright guys, in this video I'm gonna create a meme command. I was looking for the word. So alright, so first we're gonna embed Axios, so const Axios equals require Axios. Then we're gonna do message embed, so const message embed equals require discord.js. Why is this here? Alright, and then now we're gonna module up. Alright, and name I'm just gonna say meme. Then run async client message args equals. Then we're gonna do const URL equals. So we're gonna set the URL to this. I'll put this in the description, and so as well it's gonna be in as it's gonna be in the repo. So then we're just gonna do let data response. Then we're gonna run a try catch. So try response equals axios. Oh wait, axios dot get URL. Then we're gonna do data equals response dot data. And then we're gonna run a catch. Catch. And then we're just gonna say return it. Message dot channel dot send. An error has occurred. Try again. You can just say that. Then we're gonna do const embed equals new message embed. Then we're gonna set title. So we're gonna just say random random meme. Then we're gonna say dot set description. It's gonna be data dot what is it? Data dot category. Is it category? No, actually, I think it's caption. Yeah, I think it's caption. Yeah, caption. All right, then we're gonna do dot set image, and I think this should be data dot image. All right, and then we just gotta await message dot channel dot send, and then embed. All right, and then we also can set a color. I always forget to do that. Set color. Hashtag F1 F1 F1. No, I'll just do F3 F3 F3. All right. So then now the name of it's meme. So I'll just go right here. Meme. Okay. Is there an error? Where's the error? Oh, I forgot to remove this link from the top. Sorry. Alright, there you go. Now it should work. There you go. See? The API. It's an API. It returns a random image every time. So if I run it again, boom, a random image. So thank you guys. Hope you guys have a good one. And yeah.